Hi guys, welcome back once again with Rashid RB channel, and thank you so much guys for subscribing my channel and visiting to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Today we are here in Sharjah in Maliha. We came for the farm area. Father is here, cousin and brother. There are horses. We have some cattle over here. We came to have a look on them and watch the full video guys. Thank you so much. This is the place. It has a beautiful, amazing landscape. The tent is gone because of the wind. They have left the sheep and goats outside. Amazing. Guys, it's the goat. Guys, we got the little one. Mother is there. I'll let it go. So cute. Look at this. This is called time of work. We are going to rebuild a shelter for the goats. There is a place. जने ये कपी तारा हाँ इधर इधर से पछि भी कमो ज्यादा ना हल्का सा. Guys, look at the beautiful sunset. This place is very beautiful. We have finished it, mostly it's done. Still they are working on it, and time for the prayer. I'll go for the prayer, and it's very beautiful time, evening sunset time, and it's amazing guys, amazing place. Let me show you the front view. This is the front view, and it's really very beautiful. There are horses over here. Behind. Time for sunset. Guys, we have done with our shelter for the farm, and we reached for a restaurant. Time to have a bit of dinner and run from here. My cape is dirty, and after the dinner we are moving. And, let's catch for the dinner guys. Very beautiful place. Thank you guys for the watching the full videos, and thank you for the subscribing and share the videos, guys, and please like the video. Thank you so much, Saleh. Take care, guys, and catch you for the next video, inshallah, soon.
عبد الرحمن والكمبيوتر فيه